Alright, I'm back. These are not 45 parts, these are Sportster parts. I was fooled by the rust. So these are XLR Sportster and also XLCH. These are cast iron lifter blocks, not aluminum lifter blocks. So they're different. These are what I use on my race bike, cast iron blocks, because they don't wear out with very high valve spring tension, high RPM like I run. So these live a lot longer. I eat up the aluminum blocks in a couple of races. These cast iron blocks live in my motors for years. So they quit using these by 69, they weren't using these anymore. I'd guess probably in the 66, 67-ish time frame. They got rid of these cast iron blocks and went to aluminum on everything. This is the 45 flathead lifter. Tell by how it's made. Put the big holes in it. The XLCH lifter and XLR lifter, it has like 4 or 5 small holes lined up in here. 3 to 4 holes, that's what they use. These are all the flathead style lifters. Just like any other lift, you got to feel for clearance. Make sure there's nothing wrong, like those pits right there are not good. You feel for up and down. See how it's got up and down in it? That means it's junk. You can also see the heavy wear on the side of it. It's not supposed to have that lip there on the inside. That's wear. So the lifter itself, the body, you measure from here. You measure on that spot, this spot, in the center. And you only want to have 3 thou total difference between those. It usually doesn't wear here. It wears on the 2 sides. So if you measure 3 thou or more wear, it's probably junk. And then you want to make sure it's inside the body is also halfway decent too, not all scarred up. So these ones, I'm not sure the condition of them. Let's see what they feel like. These actually feel nice. Usually these things are junk. Usually I got like 10 over lifters and these things are so worn out. These are actually pretty damn nice. It's a nice set of lifter blocks. Now we're assuming these are standard. These are not. These are very nice. Yeah, you don't find good cast iron lifter blocks. Usually you have blown up motors. This one has a little clearance in it. Look right down in here, you can see the clearance going up and down. Not too bad though. A 2-wood lifter would take care of that with a slight hone. This one's got a little clearance also. You also see at the top a little bit, but not too bad. Pretty good condition actually. So good, I got a good set of lifter blocks, that's rare. Now the aluminum ones, are probably in this pile over here. Got a couple motors and pieces right here in front of me, so there we go. There's your standard aluminum lifter blocks. This looks like a reproduction block to me. Yeah, they look kind of different. They look off a little bit. You know, there's your steel one, iron one, cast iron one, and there's your aluminum one. So, there you go. I'm not sure what year they went to aluminum, but most parts on Sportsters went to aluminum in 62. So I guess by 62 these were all aluminum. And the 57 through 61 probably had iron blocks in all the bikes, but definitely the XLCHs ran the iron blocks. Like I said, up to about 66, I would guess. I don't think they went all the way to 69 the last year of the early motor, but they might have, but I don't think so. So there you go, aluminum, and good one, race lifters. Now they also used to make they make billet aluminum ones of these that are a lot stronger. They'll hold up better for abuse, and they also used to make some bronze ones, which hold up pretty good too. But it's hard to be cast iron for self-lubrication and strength. So always look for good iron ones if you want to go racing. If you have an iron motor. If you got an EVO motor, you're screwed. You're stuck with aluminum. Alright, there you go.